that's the reason why I think.
Meat in the water.
They're worried.
Oh, there we go. That's a bite. That's a bite. That's a bite. Oh, no? Okay.
See, there's a difference. See, you when you get a little nick, you're like, oh, I got him.
Oh. No.
He's trying.
He's got him. He's got him. Oh, no. You gotta be kidding me. Ben, they're just playing with you, man. Oh, my gosh. Oh! Dude, he's gonna come right up this road. Let him eat it right there. Let him eat it right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Oh, my gosh. I'll be all chewing on it, though.
Come on back, Sally.
That was a good fish, too.
Who's Sally, Ben?
That fish that just keeps letting go. And the really big ones are called Bertha.
Bertha?
Bertha.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh. That's a big one. There we go. Oh.
Can't make up his mind.
He's got it. Oh, no.
You're going to get him this time.
He's got it. Oh, he's got it. No! Here we go. Oh. There we go. Got him? You got him.
That looks good there. No way, is it really?
Dude, this is a monster. Oh, Mike, Zach, come home on that rope. We have Ben holding that rod, 100 pounds of drag. Hey, Ben?
Drag is good stuff.
You like that drag?
Yes, I dig it.
Oh, dude, this is a good one. Ben, you're teaching us how it's done, hey?
No harness, just whip it.
No harness.
Just sheer strength.
Uh-huh.
Man strength.
Here we go. Oh.
Oh, you alright?
What happened? Where did it snap at?
Hook pulled.
Ben, last time I got beat up pretty bad, right? You saw him get beat up real bad, right? What happened last time?
Big fish, man. It's gonna do it to anybody.
Here we go. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
Go.
Get him, Josh.
Go. Keep going.
Drop the bait.
Oh.
Go.
Uh-oh.
How's it going? He's pulling the boat sideways. Come on. That's okay. Come on.
Get him, Josh.
Get on the side, Zach. Get on the side. Let it slide through it. If he starts going crazy, let it slide through your hands.
That's a confish, I don't care what it says.
Yeah, it was. How big was it?
Of course it's caught. About 200 pounds.
Josh.
Here we go again.
Nice job.
That didn't satisfy me. The one I hooked was way
Got
bigger.
your heartbeat going, didn't it?
It did,
Put at the inlet a bunch. Got him? Uh-oh.
Pull. You can't let go. You gotta pull now. Come on. Go.
Help me, Ben. Help me.
Go. No, you ain't getting help. Come on. You got it.
There you go. There's a small rope. You got him whipped, Josh.
It's got me whipped. Dude, let's drop the bait down one more time.
Good release.
That's funny. I think I haven't even landed any by hand. I've just helped everybody.
This is Ben's first official hand line.
All the rest of the time, I'm just saving other people's lives.
All right, Mr. Chancey, what you got?
I'm gonna jerk him up as fast as I can. That's what I got. And I prefer it to be a really big one.
How big? You want Bertha?
Bertha's good.
Uh-oh.
Here's no jelly.
That thing's stuck. That was Bertha.
That was a good one.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
It really was.
Got him?
Say yes.
Oh, that's a big one, dude. You still got her?
Look at him. Of course he does. Oh man! That's the fish we've been trying to get right there. Now two.
How much do you think that one weighs? 400?
Yeah, he's 400 plus.
This guy hasn't got broken off yet, man. Oh my gosh!
That's what you want to see right there.
Yeah, that's chaos.
That's the good stuff. Me screaming.
What a nice fish.
You want a picture with it, Ben?
Heck yeah.
That one was fine. Water in its gills the whole time.
First Goliath, man. How you on your handline? How you feel?
That's a good starter size.
Try to run, hey?
Man, they're trying. They're mouthing it.
But unless they go
You got him
crazy
this time,
when
right?
they Get him up. Yeah, he's got it. He's got it. Come
thought
on,
if he
he's
has
moving
to-
the boat. Is it going? The boat's moving. Yeah, you can let it slide right there.
Spit it out?
No, you got it.
No way.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
Really?
handline, it happened. Woo! Oh, that hurt him. Oh, he's in pain now.
Who, the Goliath?
Yeah. You know how hard his tail just slapped the side of the boat?
Dude, it was so loud.
Good work, my man. Look at that.
To see more intense fishing action, click on one of these videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.